Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team Skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Okay. Guys, we have completed every single mission in story event Shining Star, and we are going to claim our reward right now. So 30, mission 1, mission 2, mission 3, mission 4, mission 4 missions, 30 gems. 30 times 4 equals 120. Mission 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 all have 100 gems. That means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is 10. 10 missions, guys. 10 times 100 equals 1,000. 1,000 plus 120 is 1,120 gems. As well as limited 5-star power-up. We'll get this. We won't press claim all because this is separate and we don't want to get them together. So with that said, 30, 60, 90, 120, 220, 320, 420, 520, 620, 720, 820, 920, 1020, 1120, guys, plus a limited time 5-star power up. Yay! And with that said, guys, we are done. We are done for this video. We don't have Stingpair Alessa yet, or Signasuit Alessa yet. Hopefully we can get her, and as well as, you know, get Red up to sync move level 5 if that is even possible. I don't think that would be easy, but I hope that that's possible because Red is just broken. And we have maximized Red already, like total maximum. Thank you guys for watching this. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video.